This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: Node, JS, an editor, and a clean project folder. Once done, initialize npm and create index. HTML styles, CSS, and app, JS so you can code iteratively. Make sure to include a UI library only if it accelerates layout, otherwise build minimal CSS to keep performance high. Begin by sketching a simple grid: header, sidebar, main content. You will wire basic HTML structure first, so JavaScript can later populate data dynamically. This is the only way to. You now craft the middle, layout and data flow. Use CSS grid for major regions and flexbox for card rows so elements resize cleanly. Once layout is stable, create reusable components, card, table, chart, and expose simple attributes for title, value, and metadata. Next, fetch data with fetch or Axios and normalize into one state object to avoid duplication. Then bind UI updates to state changes. For plain JS, use tiny observer functions. This approach ensures predictable updates and simplifies debugging later. You finish by adding interactivity and polish, wire sorting, filtering, and debounce input handlers so the UI stays snappy. Make charts lazy load and virtualize long lists to maintain frame rates, compress images, and minify assets before deployment. Once integrated, run manual tests across viewports and use the console for runtime errors. If things go wrong, make sure to inspect the browser console, network tab, and any state mutations. Most dashboard bugs stem from incorrect state updates or failed fetches, so trace data flow first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.